Just Google or Facebook or YouTube the Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington car wash man. We just finished over here at Woodland Heights in Sequim, Washington. One of the monthly customers that we have, we come by and do his cars once a month. He's got 2 Lexuses here, and he doesn't like automated car washes. And I put a very, we waxed both of these cars here about 4 months ago, and he wants to keep them new. He doesn't want the wax job to come off. And just thought I'd let you know, we do monthly customers too sometimes, if you qualify. Have a great day.